Welcome. In front of me is a Realme C17, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, in a second, you will see that the device is locked, and it will tell me that I need to verify my pattern or the Google account. So just wanted to kind of showcase this so you can all see that it is locked. Now, while this is still loading something, the typical Google spyware, I recommend getting your device set up. So you want to progress through it, connect to your Wi-Fi network, and once you have done so, back to the first page and just, I guess, wait for me to get there. Come on, Google. You don't need to send all the data that you can possibly gather from every sensor, thank you. Just show that it is locked and F off so I can proceed further. Thank you. So, there we go, there is the pattern. And if I close this, we have the Google account. Hopefully I don't need to wait 10 minutes for that either. There we go. So, getting started. I'm gonna back out, and you can see right here I am connected to my network. So now backing out even further. Once you are on the first page where you get to select your language, you want to select this little guy right here in the corner, and then toggle on accessibility, and then tap right here to turn it on, or select to speak. And here draw a mirrored L like this.
Allow Android Accessibility Suite to record audio while using the app button.
Okay, that is way too loud for me, so I'm gonna completely mute it. Here we're gonna double tap on the first option while using the app. Then single tap use voice commands, and before I double tap on it, I'm gonna just quickly mention what we will need to say. So once you double tap on it, you will have the voice assistant will start listening to you, and you want to say open Google Assistant, at which point it will give you about like 2 beeps, 3, depending on if it recognizes my voice or not. For some reason, even when it supposedly doesn't recognize it, still goes through. At which point you will see the Google page right here, the Google Assistant page kind of thing open up here, with the 4 little Google dots just kind of like, wobbling on the bottom and the middle here, which will indicate that Google is now listening to you. At which point you want to say open YouTube. So basically the 2 commands are open Google Assistant and open YouTube. In any case, I'm going to do that right now, and you can see and hear how I'm going through it. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening web page.
So in this case, even though I said open Google Assistant, it technically didn't understand me, yet it still opened it up, as you clearly did see. In any case, once we are on this page, you want to hold volume up and down at the same time. At the same time, not like I did.
Present.
From here, it will give us this pop-up. There we go. Give us this pop-up, and you want to select turn on. This is regarding a shortcut for the talkback. Then double tap on it and hold volume up and down once more. This will then suspend the talkback, allowing us to use the display normally. Here we're going to click on the account icon, settings, about, and then Google privacy policy. Select allow, I guess. And right at the top, where it says loading and doesn't actually allow me to click, there we go. Once you click on it and it actually brings up the keyboard, you want to type in hardreset.info/bypass. Like so. Not sure what that is. Gonna decline everything. So for some reason it went through search, even though I did type in the entire freaking link. Unless it's the wrong slash, which is very possible. But in any case, it does show it up in Google search anyway, so I'm just gonna tap on it. It's literally the exact same thing. And in here, let's give it a second. It's gonna bring up this annoying little window. Gonna scroll down. and here you'll find Settings application. So we're gonna click on that, give it a second, it should open up our settings. Come on. Oh, there we go. I guess open. Yep, there we go. So there was a tiny little pop-up saying open. In any case, once we have our settings open, you want to navigate all the way down to, let's see, I'll quickly make sure I have the correct thing open. So it tells me to open up system settings. There's no system settings. So what we're looking for is an additional settings, and it's at the bottom here, backup and reset. A little bit of a kind of a misleading guide there, but whatever. Here we're gonna select the very bottom, erase all data, factory reset, and then you wanna select erase all data. Erase all data and do that once more, and this will perform a factory reset of the device. Now on this device, when doing it through settings, unlike other ones, it just kind of goes and removes all the data, including the protection. Typically we would need to have access to home screen first, but Realme is very special in well, not protecting their devices, allowing us to utilize this straight from the lock screen, or straight from the setup screen in a way. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, let it run through. Once it's finished, we will then be able to go through and basically set up our device. It's technically already bypassed, so once it boots up, you can go through the setup in whatever way you want. So as you can see, the process is now finished, and I will go through a quick setup just so we can see if everything worked fine. So progressing through it, I am going to be skipping connecting to Wi-Fi, assuming that is an option. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.